2018 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. He came all the way from Illinois. So we appreciate him coming down to us. He's been watching our channel for a while. Factory converter there, factory converter there, wise into a single there. Then we put him a high flow cat there instead of the third cat. Factory flex pipe there. Then we also did a muffler delete for him right there. There's the muffler that was on it that we cut off. And then 3-inch pipe out the back, and he kept the resonator on it. He didn't want it too loud, so we left the resonator on. He might come back and cut that off next. We'll see. But there's the muffler that was on it. And you guys always, when you do a muffler delete on these, you always cut this valve off, guys. Because if you don't, it will rattle. And there it is. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, there'll be a link in the description for everything we can link. And make sure you guys subscribe. Chevy Silverado, muffler delete, high flow, third cat. Go ahead. Give it gas. Not bad. Again. Sound decibels. Right at 104. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it up. It's quiet at idle too, guys. You see that? And when you get on it, you hear it. That's what the resonator does. It quiets it down. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado Z71 muffler delete and high flow third cat.